Oh, bro. Here are the most creepy and what the fuck bird sounds you'll ever hear. Bro sounds like a clogged toilet getting unclogged. My guy out here sending Morse code messages instead of making normal bird sounds. Bro sounds exactly like my car when I force it into fourth gear at 75 miles per hour. Not even touching him, this dude fully loads a Kalashnikov just by opening his mouth. Bro sounds like my phone vibrating aggressively because I keep ghosting calls. Jungle security activated. Bro sounds like a damn airport metal detector. Bro is running a hidden camera prank show. Car alarm? Check.